everyone, I'm here with my new best friend. This is the Whiskwear by Blender bottle. If you have not heard of this brand, go check them out, you guys. They actually make the best bottles for pre-workout and taking on the go, and I'm so glad they got into the kitchen business. All right, so this is an all-in-one pancake solution for making your batter. So you make it and you pour it all in one bottle. So let's get this open because I am so excited. You have no bowls, no spoons, and no hassle with this, which is amazing. What else could you want, right? I'll definitely be eating pancakes way more from now on with this bottle because it is so easy. It makes everything from the making of the pancakes to the cleanup process incredibly easy to do. So there is no more excuse why you can't make pancakes before you go to school or to work. There's always time. So let's see how this works. All right, guys, let's break down how to use this. So it's the start of the morning. You got to go and make those pancakes before work, before school. Let me tell you how you're going to get it done. So first of all, let's talk about how it has measurements, both in cups and milliliters, all the way down the side, making it so easy for you to measure things. The bottom of it also can be used as a stand like so it just fits in perfectly like that, and now you have that wide opening to add in all of the mixings that you need for pancake batter. So add in your powder, add in your water, your eggs, whatever you need, and then you just drop this little blender right here. This is a little ball that's gonna help break away all the clumps and all the stuff that's in that pancake batter. So you just drop it inside, take it off the stand, and you put the bottom back on like so. Just like that. Now, all you gotta do is give it a little good shake and all your pancake batter is gonna mix itself up. Lastly, I wanna mention the tip. It is so nice and snug in there, which means no pancake batter is gonna be coming out of the end. And then when you're ready to pour that nice, yummy pancake batter, all you gotta do is take away the top. And as you can see, you can pour it as normal, making those perfect circles, and everyone gets ready and some yummy pancakes on time. I think this is one of the best things we ever bought. I always dreaded making pancakes. It is always a mess, but not anymore with this bottle, guys. Go check it out. Go get yourself one because this makes making pancakes that much easier.